A quick status on the Arduino Keypad project using Cherry MX switches. I'm currently designing and printing number 7. Version number 3 right there is the first working version where the PCB and everything fit really, really well. But to mass produce these cases, I really need to get fit and finish a little better. So that's what number 7 is. Here's an example of how I've made them thinner, and also did something I think a little more clever with the top of these things. Only questionable news is actually the price that I'm going to have to charge for these things. Right now it looks like my cost is $55, and if I want to make 50% profit, just 50% profit, I would need to charge $83 for these things, which means I make $27 for the trouble. So anyway, I'm not sure if there's a market for that, but we'll give it a try.